You can use your existing TallyPrime data or create a new company. Just fill in the basic information like company name, state and GST details. Open a plugin in your Tally company. Go to Settings and click Create Default Ledgers button to automatically generate and configure the necessary default ledgers. Alternatively, you can opt for manual settings if preferred. Then, choose the date range to view the data. You'll see all the order details in a table. Click the Start Import button to import the data. You can track the progress with the progress bar and view the log in the calculator. In just a few minutes, this plugin can import data for an entire month. The plugin can automatically create stock items with HSN codes and GST rate settings and sales ledgers in Tally if they're not already there. It handles both local and international sales, importing all customer and order details with detailed narrations. The application also provides the ability to address any uncertain entries in your GSTR1 return, ensuring error-free GST returns with accurate B2B, exports, and B2C data reporting. There are different settings to meet the needs of most users. Say goodbye to the hassle and errors of manual data entry. Easily import all the information from your online store into TallyPrime. Like, subscribe and get notified. Team Sellonboard by Design. Connecting sellers.